When replying to an email, it is important to view who you want to reply to, and if there is more than one recipient to the message, so more than one person has received the message, considering replying to everyone who received that message. It's very important to understand that if it's important information for everyone to know, the reply all button is a very good one to use. When you just want to reply to the sender, you can just use the one return arrow or reply. You can click. You can also go to the menu at the top and you can click there. And you can also forward it to someone else if you want to. Once you've made your choice, and I'm going to choose reply all because I would want everybody to see this information if this was an email that was sent to multiple teachers so that I could show what I'm doing for this student. You also will have two more options once you start your reply template, and that is CC for carbon copy to copy another person. And you also have BCC, and this is a blank carbon copy. And any email address included in this will be kept confidential between the sender and that recipient. So other people will not know that that person has been included in the emails. So this is more for security reasons and personal reasons. So you would type your reply and click send. And I always mention to students, be careful if you don't want everybody to read the message. Err on the side of caution, discard, and try it again. And make sure you're keeping a record of who you're sending the email to.